Assalamu alaikum my sweets, welcome back to my channel. Excuse me if I'm talking a bit weirdly, and that's because I am in a lot of pain on this side, so I'm trying to talk a bit, you know, like trying to calm down whilst talking. So I'm not going to be like that woohoo type of person right now, but I'm trying to be. I'm trying to smile as much as I can. But yeah, also excuse the background noise as well because my birds can be a bit loud. But right now they are calm, so I'm like thinking about doing the intro quickly. So yeah, this video is basically about hijabs, underscarf and other hijab essentials and stuff like that that I have ordered with my own money. It's not sponsored at all. I have ordered everything from MODANISA. And a lot of hijabis know MODANISA, who doesn't know. So MODANISA have really good quality hijab. I'm wearing one of them right now. It's so soft. This material is amazing. Like, I've never seen or felt such material before. It's not a chiffon, it's not a viscose 100% or chiffon 100%. I feel like they're mixed together, and this is how the material is. It's so flowy, it's so breathable, perfect for summer. I just wish they had more shades. They only have black one left, so the other shades, I don't know who bought them, but otherwise I would have bought all the shades, and it wasn't even expensive at all, so I'm a bit surprised. So yeah, I'm wearing one of them, and I'm also wearing the underscarf as well. What was I going to say? What disappointed me though is that material and everything is fine. I love the material. There's absolutely no problem with the material. But, sorry. But what made me disappointed is the shades. I love the shade that came, but I got like 5 of them and I ordered different shades. So you have to be careful when it comes to that. So that's why I'm thinking about selling some of the hijabs I bought. I actually spent I bought a lot of hijabs and stuff and underscarves and everything because I really wanted to match my underscarf to my hijab, but I did find one, but I got so many of the same shades. That's why I'm thinking about selling it. So if you're interested in buying any of these shades, let me show you. So if you're interested in buying any of these shades, then let me know. I love the shade a lot, and I have the same shade of undercap as well, so it's like a matching one. So if you're interested in buying, then DM me on Instagram. My name is Fareen over there, and make sure you DM me this month because next month I won't be home and I'll be coming back home after a while. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Is there something more I want to talk about? But let's just get straight into the video, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. So this is the hand coverage, and the neck coverage looks like this. I'm wearing it right now, so I can't really show you it. I'm going to put a picture right here how it looks. It's like a napkin. So here's the neck coverage, and it goes all the way here and then on the back as well. So it's like a napkin. So yeah. This is like a rose gold, rose purple. Is that even a shade? Is rose purple even a shade? It's like a mauve, but more on the purpley side. It's a really sweet colour. I got one in a brown shade. Doesn't be able to see that it's brown. It's not black, but it's dark brown. It's more chocolatey in real life. And then I have in this shade, it's more of a brown shade. And it's so soft. So here's the thing, this video is not sponsored, none of that. I have paid everything with my own money. I have spent a lot of money on MODANISA, which is making me like and the thing is, what disappointed me in MODANISA is that when I ordered different shades, but they sent me the same shades. So I have a lot of these shades that I'm wearing right now. So this shade I have a lot of, so I'm thinking about selling it. That's why I'm not opening up these ones, because I'm actually thinking about selling it. I'm not planning to have like 10 same underscarf shades. I feel like that's a bit waste, so my money is like fully wasted on that. But yeah, if you're interested in buying one of these, then please send me a DM and then we will figure things out. They're actually really soft, really nice. I'm not complaining about the material or whatever, it's just that what disappointed me was that I got sent. I ordered other different colors and I got the same shade, so it was like a bit waste, so might as well just sell it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it, what I showed you and stuff like that. And as I told you earlier, that there are some hijabs that I will be selling, so make sure you check my Instagram out, follow me over there so we can stay in contact. I'm more social over there, upload something every day. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have blessed days and that you all stay blessed and healthy. I will see you soon in my next one. Stay blessed everyone. Bye bye.